Alright, hey team, this is Lynn, the Linear Rack, and you can see what this model does is this model engages our rack system and moves it through a guide just like that. So in order to build this model, we're going to go ahead and go backwards and take it apart first. So I'll bring over build space, and we'll start with the rack. The rack itself is made up of rack gears that are 4x1 rack gears. In this case, it uses 4 of them and a 16x1 Technic brick. We'll go ahead and put those aside for later. The next step is you can see that there's a system of Technic plates that holds together our rack system. And one of the hardest things with using a rack system is going to be that gravity either makes it easier or harder to hold things together and to make it work. So linear racks that slide on the ground, which is what this one does, are pretty awesome. If we were to try and do this on our Lego build plate, we would find that the holes would stick and that wouldn't work. That's why it was on the flat table. So to take this piece apart, let's start with one of our supports. This is just a simple assembly, and this has a flat in the bottom, a Technic plate, a 2x4. Pop that off. And then it's got 2 standard 2x4 Lego blocks with a 2x6 Technic plate. We'll put those over here. The next piece we have, we can just pop it off here, is our motor mount. And we can see we've got a 2x6 Technic plate, a 2x4 Technic plate. And we can see that that was holding together some